Elon Musk has dropped the $175 Tesla Pi phone, loaded with features Apple won't touch. Is this the iPhone killer? Let's find out. How affordable is Tesla's game-changing 2026 Starlink Pi phone? How is Tesla selling a cutting-edge smartphone for just $175 while Apple's iPhone 16 Pro sits at $999? Is this a trick? Or has Elon Musk cracked the code to make premium tech insanely cheap? Strap in, because what you're about to learn might flip the smartphone world upside down. Here's the bombshell. Apple won't admit Tesla's US-based, vertically integrated supply chain cuts out 90% of the third-party markups Apple depends on from over 200 global suppliers, raising costs by 25 to 35%. Your Tesla Pi phone could be crafted from the same metal as a Falcon 9 rocket. Built in Texas, even better. Tesla recycles aluminum from SpaceX rockets and uses proprietary Cybertruck glass, slashing material costs by 40%. While Apple's material cost is $370 per unit, Tesla's comes in at just $90. The numbers get even crazier. Tesla aims to roll out 5 million Pi phones in 2025 from its Texas Gigafactory, scaling to 20 million by 2026 across 1.5 million square feet of automated production. Imagine American robots assembling your phone at 95% efficiency, far beyond Apple's 75% with overseas factories. That alone saves $30 per device and slashes fixed costs to just $10 per unit, while Apple's sits at $50 to $60. But here's where Tesla crushes Apple. By selling directly through its showrooms, it dodges the $120 retailer markup added to every iPhone. Tesla's no middleman pop-up stores could launch Pi phones at $150. You could actually own one for less than a pair of AirPods. Every Pi phone comes with a free 6-month Starlink trial worth $720 built to pull users into the ecosystem. We're talking space-grade connectivity for less than your daily coffee. Yes, your phone could link to satellites for less than what you spend at Starbucks, all made possible by SpaceX's reusable rockets slashing satellite costs by 60%. And the materials? Game-changing. Tesla builds each phone with 80% recycled content, from ocean waste plastic to lithium reclaimed at their Nevada battery facility, saving $50 per unit. Plus, Tesla's zero rare earth policy skips pricey metals like cobalt, which cost Apple $20 to $30 per phone. This phone could save your wallet and the planet. The same AI behind Tesla's self-driving cars designs these components for peak efficiency, slicing another $15 off each phone. And here's where it gets exciting. Tesla is zeroing in on American buyers with launch deals like 10% pre-order discounts, bringing the price down to $157.50, plus trade-ins that take old iPhones for up to 50% off. The rumored Patriot Bundle delivers 2 Pi phones for $300 to veterans and first responders. That's just $150 a phone. Now, owning a smartphone costs less than your monthly car payment, and it's made for Americans. Still think $175 sounds too good to be true? Tesla made electric cars a reality in Fremont, California. Now they're doing the same for smartphones in Texas. Tired of overpriced iPhones that barely evolve? Tesla's $175 Pi phone, proudly built in the USA, is your escape from Apple's relentless price gouging. This is true American innovation challenging Silicon Valley's elite. Imagine owning a phone made in America, infused with space-grade tech for less than a pair of sneakers. Would you trade Apple for a $175 Tesla phone forged from Falcon 9 metal, powered by Starlink, and built right here at home? Drop a comment with "Pi phone win" if you're ready for the revolution. Still unsure? Watch till the end to see exactly why this phone changes everything. How is Tesla still turning a profit? Why would Tesla nearly give away a phone for $175? Is this real? Are they serious? Or is it a master plan to dominate the world? The truth is even more shocking. Tesla's game-changing strategy uses low-margin hardware to fuel massive, high-margin ecosystem profits. And what looks like a loss is actually a billion-dollar move. The Pi phone isn't just a gadget, it's your entry pass to Tesla's trillion-dollar ecosystem. This device syncs effortlessly with Tesla cars, Powerwalls, and Starlink, building an unbreakable connection. Imagine adjusting your Tesla's climate from bed or calling your car with a tap, and the data backs it up. 70% of Tesla owners use the app daily, proving how powerful this engagement can be. When you buy a $175 Pi phone, you're not just grabbing hardware, you're stepping into a lifestyle that could make Tesla wealthy for decades. Here's where the real profit explosion begins. That free 6-month Starlink trial? It's not a gift. It's the most valuable bait ever set. Rural Americans in places like Montana or Texas, stuck with awful cellular service, will gladly switch to Starlink's $120 monthly plan because this phone connects where AT&T can't. With 2.5 million US users, Starlink is already raking in $3 billion a year. If only 10% of 5 million Pi phone owners subscribe, Tesla pockets $720 million in pure profit annually. That $175 phone just became Tesla's most lucrative product. Tesla's strategy goes far beyond early adopters. Offers like the Patriot Bundle for veterans and family plans aimed at American workers are just part of the plan to break into the market. The rumored Starlink for Schools initiative could place Pi phones in classrooms across the US, turning students into lifelong Tesla users. Simply put, this is a phone that educates kids and saves parents money. And it's happening only in America. With 150 million US smartphone users, Tesla is aiming for 7.5 million units to grab a 5% market share. But the real goal? Locking these users into Tesla's ecosystem for life. Musk's bigger vision? A $1 trillion Tesla by 2030. Affordable phones open the floodgates to a massive customer base, fueling cross-sales of Tesla cars and energy solutions. Every Pi phone owner becomes a future Tesla driver, Powerwall user, or Starlink subscriber. Tesla isn't just pushing a phone, they're offering a future where you stay connected, in control, and free from overpriced tech. The Tesla Starlink Pi phone is a long-game strategy. Tesla doesn't need all the profit up front. That's how they're still winning financially. If you're tired of shelling out $1,000 every 2 years for tiny iPhone tweaks, Tesla's betting on it and positioning to claim every dollar you'll stop giving Apple. Think this strategy will push Apple to lower prices? Type $175 if your answer is yes. What's truly terrifying for Apple isn't just Tesla's pricing, it's the groundbreaking features that turn the Pi phone into a true iPhone killer. The specs you're about to see will make you wonder why anyone still chooses Apple's overpriced devices. How do 5 hidden yet mind-blowing features turn the Pi phone into a true iPhone killer? Why is Apple suddenly rushing to match features they once called impossible? Because Tesla just dropped tech that makes the iPhone look like a 2005 flip phone. The Pi phone doesn't just rival Apple, it shatters everything they claimed was cutting edge. And the specs you're about to see will leave you questioning why Apple still charges $1,000 for outdated tech. Let's begin with the feature that'll have you tossing out every charging cable you own. Tesla's breakthrough solar charging tech embeds 25% efficient solar cells right into the screen, giving you 3 to 5 extra hours of daily use in sunlight. That means no more cables, $45 saved annually on electricity, and a 73% lower carbon footprint than any iPhone. And Apple's response? They're still stuck on Lightning and Type-C cables. Clearly, they're nowhere near this level of innovation. But the real shock hits with Tesla's brain-machine readiness. The Pi phone is the world's first smartphone built for Neuralink, featuring brain-computer interface tech that lets you type at 120 words per minute, using just your thoughts. It even offers medical tools to monitor brain health, detect seizures, and track mental wellness in real time. Meanwhile, Apple hasn't announced a single neural feature. They're still trying to perfect removing the home button. The performance specs leave Apple's flagship in the dust. Tesla's custom Dojo chip delivers AI power that's 3.22 times faster than Apple's A18 Pro and even 3.0 times faster than the much-hyped A19 Pro in the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM standard, while Apple sticks to a weak 8 gigabytes. And storage? The Pi phone gives you 1 terabyte right out of the box, while Apple still offers 128 gigabytes base models like its 2018. And yes, the price remains $175. Benchmark scores say it all. Pi phone hits 28,450 on Geekbench, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max trails at 20,538. That's not just a win, it's a knockout. And don't even get us started on the camera. This system is a total game changer in mobile photography. Its astrophotography mode can capture Mars and satellites powered by Starlink's precise positioning data. AI enhancement kicks in for real-time object recognition and scene tuning, You get pro-level 8K video recording at 60 frames per second, crushing the iPhone's outdated 4K at 24 frames per second. These features alone would cost over $3,000 in standalone gear. Suddenly, Apple's so-called computational photography feels like digital junk in your pocket. With the Pi phone, you're not holding a camera, you're holding a studio and a telescope. Tesla's display tech delivers another crushing blow, hitting 2,000 nits brightness while the iPhone tops out at 1,000, all while embedding transparent solar cells without sacrificing quality. And the screen? It protects itself. With Gorilla Glass Victus 3 and a self-healing nano coating, it offers durability Apple can't touch. Add in micro-LED innovation that uses 40% less power than Apple's OLED, and it's clear your screen heals itself, while iPhone users still scramble for screen protectors. Apple spent years trying to sell you on the idea that tiny upgrades are worth $1,000 price tags, but Tesla just shattered that illusion with groundbreaking tech at breakthrough prices. Every feature you've seen is possible because Tesla owns its entire supply chain and builds its tech in-house. Unlike Apple, which still relies on outdated licensed parts, the iPhone era is on its way out after 2026, and now it's your move. Cling to Apple's overpriced obsolescence or step into the future with the Pi phone revolution. While Apple recycles old features, Elon Musk is quietly building the future, connecting veterans, reaching rural homes, and redefining communication without touch. This is how Tesla wins, with bold, real innovation. Think the Pi phone is a true iPhone killer? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for the next big update.